The canvas tag genuinely provides a real blank drawing surface, controlled entirely by real JavaScript to render shapes, images, or animation. In this video you'll set up a real canvas. This real tag genuinely creates a blank drawing surface, with height genuinely set its actual real pixel dimensions. The canvas element itself genuinely draws nothing on its own. Real JavaScript, via getContext, is what actually renders any content onto it. This real fallback text genuinely only shows if a browser doesn't actually support the canvas element at all. Canvas tag genuinely creates a blank real drawing surface. Real drawing on it genuinely requires JavaScript via getContext. Width height genuinely set the canvas's real actual pixel dimensions. Add a real canvas element with specific width and height to a page. Ready to embed real vector graphics directly in HTML?